Imagine having the hiccups every day for 68 years. That's what happened to Charles Osborne, an American man who started hiccuping in 1922 after falling off a pig. Yes, a pig. His hiccups came up to 40 times per minute, non-stop for decades. He tried everything: hypnosis, medication, even holding his breath for hours. Doctors said it was caused by nerve damage from the fall. He eventually made it into the Guinness World Records for the longest hiccup attack in history. Could you survive that long with constant hiccups? Comment below and follow Curious Fuel for more strange but true stories that actually happened. Like hypothetical battles, top 10s, and brain-bending questions? Hit subscribe and stay curious.